Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must start by confirming you have full control or owner permissions, otherwise deletion is blocked. Once confirmed, open the Sharepoint site and navigate to Site Contents. Make sure you find the exact list name because similar names can confuse you. Click the list to open it. This ensures you're acting on the correct object. If the list is in a subsite, navigate there first. Once you're viewing the list, pause to verify columns or customizations that you might need to document before removal. Next, access the list settings so you can initiate deletion correctly. You'll click the gear icon or the List tab, then choose List Settings. This opens the configuration area. Scroll to the Permissions and Management section to find the Delete this list link. When you click Delete this list, Sharepoint will present a confirmation dialog explaining consequences. Read it. If the option is grayed out, you may lack permission or the list is a system list. Make sure to export or backup data first if you need it later. To finish, confirm deletion in the dialog box. This action is immediate for standard lists. Once done, go to Site Contents to verify the list is removed and check pages for web parts or links that referenced it so you can update them. If something goes wrong, make sure you truly have full control, check for broken feature dependencies, and look in the Site or Site Collection Recycle bin to restore the list temporarily. If delete remains blocked, contact your Sharepoint admin for deeper diagnostics and restore
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.